Hey everybody, good morning. Hope you guys are all doing well. We got another video for you, another project. This is just our monthly template for June of 2022. We tried and do this prior to the end of the month or the beginning of the month, but I think we might be running a day or two late. Just a lot of stuff going on, but this is a cool one. I don't know what Vicky's going to call this yet, but this is a cool one. I guess.
Put it down a little bit. There you go.
Kitchen utensils or kitchen stuff. I guess that would be kitchen stuff, a spatula and a whisk and this would be like a strainer or something, and a oven mitt, and that would be like a colander maybe. Anyway, so you guys will, when we have the name on this, I'll put it across the screen so you guys will know what it is, but we're just going to carve it. This one's a little bit tricky. This one we really, and I've done the layout on it, so baby, if you can...
You just throw it around.
Did it break? It didn't break.
That's a good
Look
sign.
at that. Took some licking and keeps on digging. Anyway, all right, so this one's a little bit different. We absolutely have to carve this outset. The reason being, well, yeah, that's the way I look at it. The reason being is all of these little black dots, if we carved this inset and we carved away the wood, then all of those little black dots would have to be outset. And chances are something's going to get lost. Same thing with these. So we're going to carve this outset. So all of these, all the black will be carved away. These will all be inset dots.
So you're carving outset. You said inset.
Did I say inset?
Yeah.
I get confused. I'm going to carve the whole project outset, so all the black stuff is going to be carved away. Anyway, all right. Ryan is not here. He's in California, so I'm on my own. So
thanks a lot.
Well, as far as carving goes,
All right.
Vicky's behind the camera. And I will be carving this just one way, so we're not doing the dueling routers, which in this particular instance, it wouldn't work anyway. So, anyhow, no pressure. I'm not competing against Ryan, so I won't get beat by Ryan this time. Anyway, so I've got the carving liner bit in, and try and get all the detail done first. Meaning all of those black dots and all of the black inset stuff. So got it set at about 1/8 of an inch, something like that. We'll see if that works. And here we go. Okay, folks, I think I did everything that I needed to do with the carving liner. Now I'll go back and do everything else, all of the outlining with the profile bit. I forgot to mention what material I'm using here. This is stuff that I've showed before. It's just the shiplap material that I get from down at Lowe's, the shiplap pine. I think that's what I paid for it, actually, 15, because I talked about this previously, but it's been a while since I talked about it. This stuff carves so nice. It's that, I think it's blue pine, because it's got that kind of blue staining through it, which looks really cool. I really like this stuff. Carves like butter. Anyway, all right, so let's move on to the profile bit. And I've got this set at probably about 1/8 of an inch as well. Let's see. I want to make sure not go too deep to begin with. Here we go. All right, guys. Well, there's all the detail done. Now I'm just going to go around. I'm going to go around everything deeper with the profile bit, just to give myself a bunch of room, so I can get back in there with my background bit. So I'm setting it at. I don't even know if I have a round bit depth gauge. I do. So I should be setting this at somewhere around 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, I'm just shy of 1/4 of an inch. All right, let's do it. Okay, almost there. We're almost there. Now all I'm going to do is, normally I would use, for my background, normally I would use the 90, but this one is pretty tight corners in some of those places, so I'm just going to use my, my 60. And does pretty much the same thing, just not quite as wide as the 90. And we've got it set at about a little over 3/16. That should be just about right. Okay, it's official. This is now called Nonie's Kitchen. Nonie's Kitchen Tools or something to do with Nonie's Kitchen.
Something.
So this would be a perfect, Vicki and I were just talking, this would be a perfect
Can you hold it up
a little template for kitchen things like Grandma's Kitchen or Mama's Kitchen or Mama's Home Cooking or, you know, something like that. This would be a perfect one to put on a customized sign like that. So I'm going to spray this off camera, come back, we'll sand it off, and we'll take a look. All right, folks, let's sand this thing off. So I've got my 80 grit, because this stuff is pretty soft, I'm using my 80 grit with my disc, and then 120 with my random orbital. Here we go. In case you're new here, guys, I use my disc sander to get off almost all of the black, 80-90% of the black or more, and then I use my random orbital to smooth it out, take off the rest. I can see I left some high spots. I'll blow it off and then I'll fix that. Here we go. So what I mean by high spots is right inside there, inside the whisk, those two little pieces, those need to be black. So this is how we fix that. Carefully. Trying not to touch the sides. This is all those years of playing Operation comes into practical use. Anyway, all right, let's throw some clear on it, see what it looks like. I'll just kind of hold it up and throw some clear on it. There it is. I like it. So that's it. That is the template of the month for June of 2022. If you guys like that, by the time you see this, this will be on the website. You can go and purchase it. If you are a premium member or an executive member, you get it free. So if you guys have questions on the premium membership or executive membership, let me know. But it's a pretty good deal, especially if you use a lot of our router bits, because router bit sharpening is free and it comes with a lot of other stuff too. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe. If you have subscribed, be sure and click that little bell icon, because we put out 4 videos every week, and we got a lot of cool stuff coming up. So if you need supplies like this template or router bits or any of that, you can just go to the website, makeawoodsign.com. It's all there, and the card will be in here as well. So let's see. I guess that's about it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you liked it. We'll see you on the next one. Love you. Bye.